yan, kung makikita nyo, busy-busy sila. O, di ba?
Video yan, ha?
Oo, video to. You know.
Hey, baby!
The making of Piolo Pascual.
Wow! Piola Pascual.
Tingnan mo. Uy, Jay, okay lang. Pwede yung sumama.
Casual pa, miss.
Remington! Remington! Kasahin siya. Shotgun si Remington.
I love you, ate.
Ang magalit siya.
Papalitan nyo sila.
Yung sa gaon yun, ha?
Who you have? I am Nicki Minaj.
Ay, ganda si Jaden.
Jaden ko.
Oh, di ba?
Ay! Boy, pick up!
Oo.
You may say that they have something in common. And what is it? You can say that there is Christmas because there is Jesus, the ultimate source of fun, happiness, joy, and most of all, life. Again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the celebration of life through the Non-Teaching Personnel's Christmas Party for school year 2011. Today's NTP's Christmas Party was conceived in a differently unusual and peculiar presentation which is first ever in the history of St. Joseph's School. All of our participants will make this party very memorable and significant, for they will celebrate this game of life with viewers and comers. Everyone is trying to be fabulous and classy, highlighted with elegance, poise, wit, and queerness. Please rise for the opening prayer to be led by Miss Cheryl Magat, followed by the interpretation of the Lord's Prayer by Miss Melanie Sambo